welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a cream makeup primer. To start, you're gonna need some aloe vera gel. Then you're gonna need some vegetable glycerin. Also, you're gonna need your favorite moisturizer. Take 1 teaspoon of the aloe vera gel. Then add 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of your favorite moisturizer. Now mix everything up. Our makeup primer is ready, so you're just going to transfer it into a little container. As you can see, it spreads so easily. And the glycerin inside is gonna prevent your makeup from being cakey. It's gonna retain the moisture on your face, and this will make your makeup last longer. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, share this video. If you have any comments, suggestions or contributions, leave them in the comment section. Until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.